Hi guys! A lot of people are attracted by these AI dancing video and wondering how to create them. In this video, I will share 2 easy methods to make them, freeway included. Let's get started. Method 1. Viggle AI. This tool is an AI tool that animates static characters and automatically generates motion videos from images. I will put the official link in the description. Firstly, we can click on the mix function, then import a motion video. If you don't have a video yet, you can also find one from the library. Here, I have prepared a dancing video already. Let's use it for example. Next, import an image of your own. I'm using this robot image for instance. To make the character dance, we can choose Add Motion to B. It will transfer the motion from A to B. Click on Mix. When it is completed, we have the robot dancing video. Viggle AI offers 5 free videos per day. Though the effects are a bit rough, it is worth trying to have fun with friends. Method 2. AI Marvels app. This is an amazing app suitable for you to create astonishing AI videos on mobile devices. You can find the official link in the description. Once we open it, tap AI Dance. Let's say I discover a dance video on TikTok or Instagram that inspires me. And after obtaining permission from the original creator and rights holder, I paste the video link here. Then I can quickly reference the dance motion. By importing an original character image that I own, I can then generate a new dance video featuring my character performing the dance. Please make sure to obtain permission from the copyright owner and the creator before using this feature. The dancing motion is smooth and fluent with good quality, easy and handy to use. Besides, there are more AI dancing templates for different characters, including humans, pets, animals, etc. You may apply these templates to your own images and share them with your friends to have fun. Here are more examples. Alright, that's the share for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI trends and news. Thanks for watching. See you next time.